Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to put music on Facebook profile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your profile. Here you can see 3 dots. You have to press on this. Now click on search option. Here you can see music. You have to go for it. Now here you can see plus icon. Press on this. From here you have to select your song. Click on 3 dots. Press on select. Now go back. Here you can see your selected song. You have to press on this 3 dot. Now click on pin to profile. Now go back to your profile. Here is your selected song. So this is how to put music on your Facebook profile. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.